Hi. Okay, let me do this. Yeah, do that like that. Okay, hello, hi, welcome. Let me hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay. Hi, hello. Unfortunately, it is PNG night, so sorry, but it's been a long day. My hair's gritty, and I'm running on adrenaline right now. I am running on the adrenaline. But hello, hi, welcome. Our lovely winner of tonight is Turnip. Turnip, you win. I'm trying to fix everything on my desk. I was like taking notes about my acting. It is PNG night. Woo! Hold on. I need to put on my headphones. Oi. Okay. But hi, hello. Hi, Godek. Hi, Johnny. How are you both? How is everybody? This. Let me make my little water. Oh, let me get myself somewhere. I have so much to tell y'all. Let's go here. And then we'll go here. Yeah, there I am. That's me. I'm a cat. Your time. Woo! Okay. So, hi, hello. It's been a little bit. How about you? You've been fantastic. Good. I'm glad to hear that. I have been going through a ride. A lot of things have happened. Sam Fisher up there? Oh, yeah, he's up there. Don't mind him. He's just like a little spider, you know? I need these to move. Okay. Now we're in business. Everything's fixed. Okay. So, as a little life update, a lot of things in my life has been happening. Not everything matters, but main thing is I didn't stream Monday because I needed to learn a monologue. Proceeded to only pick the monologue. So yesterday was auditions. If you didn't see the announcements, I did go to auditions. It was fun. It actually was a really fun time. I made them laugh. I was very happy. I got the lead role. I didn't expect that. I need to turn this down a little bit for my own sanity. I got the lead? So that's how my life's going. I just found out. I got home after gossiping with my friend for like 2 hours. And I was like, oh shit, okay, I should see if the email's out. Last time he emailed it out like super late, like midstream when I streamed late randomly. And I looked, I was like, oh my god, it's out. I was like, oh, I have 2. Why do I have 2? And so I looked and it was like, oh my god, it's the cast list. And I was like, oh, okay, I got in. And I looked, I was like, okay, what am I gonna get? I was like, her name's Agnes is the lead. And I was like, that's my name. So I still go back. That was extremely loud. I'm in shock. I didn't expect that. I have girl boss gas like gatekeep a little bit too close to the sun. And I'm very happy about it. I'm just very shocked about it. She kills monster catalyst. Agnes, Sarah. That's me. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Sorry, I'm looking at all who the other characters are because I like looked at the names. I was like, okay, I know who they all are. So it's gonna be fun. I actually think my friend will play a good Lily. Oh my god. Hi, turkey sandwich. What is soup? Sorry, you said soup and I had to really emphasize it. Hello, hi. We're sharing the news. I got the lead in my play that we're doing. I'm very excited. It's right up my alley of like type of play because it's about D&D. It's a lot about like other things, a lot of serious notes, but the summary of it, how we all described it, is it's gay D&D. So there's that. But I got the lead. I'm gonna cry. I did cry. I didn't expect that. Oh my god. Oh my god, he got in it too. Oh, it's gonna be a fun play. I feel bad because one of my friends didn't get in, but it's a very small cast. I need to tell my... Oh, he got in. Oh, see, he was fine. There was a whole bunch of people, but it's a very small cast, so we were nervous because, you know, small. We can only have so many people. Let me move that over there. But I was so happy. So we're running off adrenaline and no hammer. No What are they called? Shovels. No shovels will stop us. I probably actually, let me change my headphones. I'm gonna go deaf, but that doesn't really apply to you guys that much. Mainly just me. But other than that, I hope y'all been well. Pitchfork? Actually, I don't know if they bring the pitchforks inside, but like, you're right. Actually, I should watch out for the pitchforks too. But the shovels are what were decking me last time, Johnny. They were like taking me out. I would turn around and just get bonk. I love the noise of the shovels hitting though. Not gonna lie, that one's really funny. Okay, let me tie up these headphones and then I'll get the game ready to go. I'm my brain's going. What about that one? I love that. The RE4 remake is so good. I've only played through the game once fully, and then I played the Separate Ways DLC. So I haven't actually gotten to play the remake that much. Seeing as how many times I actually played through RE2 remake. I played through that so many times. Dragon! Dragon, hi! Dragon! Oh, I don't want the song right now. Hold on. Where is that? What man? No. This. Okay, we can do the song. Okay. Hi, Dragon! Dragon, I got the lead role! I got the lead and check out! Okay. I threw a grenade and it hit someone. Someone threw at me and my grenade killed me. Oh. Oh, they said, here, have it back. And deflected it with their, like, I think they mainly throw, like, axes. Some of them throw dynamite, but yeah. You got the part, thank you! I went in with they wanted a comedy piece, which is fine. But yeah. But we went in with comedy pieces, that's what we were supposed to bring. But he had taken a note that if you want to be the lead, bring a little bit more of an emotional one. I, in fact, did not bring an emotional one, and I, in fact, did not play that emotional. And they, in fact, made me do it, like, a very excited, nothing could go wrong emotion. And they loved it. And I was like, okay, cool. I'll probably get in, but I probably won't, like, it's not Agnes material. It's Agnes material, we got it, boys! This is, like, how I got my Halloween maze, bro. I committed to the bit, and I was like, I messed up on my line so much, but I committed to the bit, and they liked it. I'm like, that's how my brain is right now. Sorry if I'm very over the top right now. I am actually just living off the adrenaline. Got a commission for my art. Oh, but that's fun. Are you happy with the commission? I love getting. I need to commission my friend to do art because it's so much fun getting commissions. I do got the zoomy. I also have like a canker sore on my lip because I bit my lip. Oh my god, is that a bot? Oh my god, is that a bot? Oh my god, how do I wait, hold on. There we go. We got him. Sorry, I was struggling to read. I was like, what does that one say? What does that one say? It took me a moment. It just took me a moment to process words, okay? I have the zoomies. Oh, I'm going crazy. How silly. I love bots. Mr. or Mrs. Bot that just posted that. No harm feelings, but I just don't want promotions here. Good luck being a bot. Have a good life. Honestly, they're so entertaining. I do like that, especially when I first started streaming, they had like the same generic message. And I remember all of us just being like, oh damn, like it's the same thing. You ain't even gonna be special about it. And then they started getting special about it. And I was so excited for the bots. I'm like, oh my god, you're learning. You're evolving and you're like doing different spiels. There used to be so many. Oh my god, I found one of my cat's whiskers. I'm gonna put that back on his head when he comes over here. Gonna sit right there. Left eye and side. Oh, oh. Multiple per, there really was multiple per stream. My computer's freaking out, but I'm just trusting the process right now. Let me give you game sound. There used to be multiple, and specifically it used to be, you want followers, you want viewers, follow this link. Now I get a lot of the art ones, which I don't mind as much. The art ones are a lot more tame because they're just like, hi, do you want channel art? And they do actually make channel art, but yeah. How to promote my art? Good question. Posting does a really good job, but posting on animation stuff, it's really hard because I try to do that with my jackets when I was painting my jackets. Here, we'll go more interesting screen. I try to do that with my jackets. It's very hard. Link that takes all the information. True that you can make like the multiple links, so you can have that in like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Make TikToks about it, about your art, like the process of making it, just like silly little fun videos. You gotta get traction. It's very hard though, Dragon. I like, I'm saying this as if it's just gonna be like that one thing and it's gonna work instantly. It's not. It's gonna take a bit. Play RE4. Oh my god, you did? Fuck it up. Hell yeah. I really hope that my director never finds my stream. Just passed by my, I was just, oh Jesus, oh Lord, oh Jesus Christ. Oh, scaredy cat. I'm so happy I don't live like directly against a train. Oh, I should promote my friend. I was at auditions yesterday. Of course I was. But one of my friends, we were, who was it? Oh, it was Louise. He was kidding around. I was just like, oh my god, is that the hit streamer Sarah's Comic? Along that line, something about those jokes. And then our friend Thomas was just like, you stream? And I was like, huh? Yeah. He apparently streams too. He's a baby streamer right now. I'm gonna have to add him sometime. But hello, hi, we are playing Resident Evil 4. We're continuing our run. We are currently stuck. And I don't mean stuck as we're gonna be like stuck, but unfortunately right now I'm stuck in like a fighting sequence, which I know I can beat. It's just gonna take a bit because I'm bad. Let me fix this little notebook. I need to finish writing my acting notes because I like this little notebook and it's gonna make me very happy. Oh, everybody at rehearsals are gonna be so annoyed of me if they get my brain going and I'm gonna be like, and the fun thing is that I emotion like honking the horn, like those horns just I like doing that noise. Anyways, let me not get distracted. I will gladly get distracted. I have a lot of adrenaline going right now. I still cannot believe that. I keep on going back to look at that email because I'm like, no. No. I mean, what do you mean? It's role for theater or TV? It's for theater. So it's for my college because I am gay. I'm getting back into theater. So I want to do TV stuff. TV and film is what I want to go into for both costuming and acting. But this is a big play that we've been waiting for since last semester. It's in a small theater, but it's about D&D, so we're all very excited. So all the nerds were excited because it was D&D. But it's also like my first lead role. I truly and honestly, there's so many other actors that I'm like, they're so good, that I'm just like, how did I do this? Let me pause the music. There we go. So I don't know how a girl boss gaslight gatekeeped my way to the sun, but I did. I just don't know who Alina is. There's the one girl who is the sister of my character, and I need to, my brain needs to associate that now, but I don't know her name to her face. Let's continue. Oh, oh no, I have a little space. I was like, it's gonna throw me right back into the cutscene, but no, it's professional, so it takes me back to saves only. But yeah, it's for a theater role, and I'm very excited. I'm like, even if it was a small oh.
¿Dónde está la biblioteca?
Even if it's for a small time role in a community theater, that'd be pretty dope too.
OBTW, the Commission, is my sister's first D&D character she
Ooh.
created. And DDD, she wants to see the play, so now I know it's you. MDF going.
Aww. That's really cute though, the fact that it's her first D&D character. That's always like really emotional, but that's so cute. I'm glad. Please, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna have to keep it together. Did theater class in college? It was really fun. It takes guts to go in front of people. It does. I think, especially as I need to see what's in my pockets, honestly. As like a well-rounding class to take, no matter what type of degree, theater is great. Gives you a little bit of the odds. Oh, hello! Thank you for the follow. Charmoney. Charmoney. I want to call you Chair. I'm not gonna call you Chair, but hello, welcome in. What brings you around this part? But it takes a lot to get out in front of people, Turkey. And like I've overcome a little bit of that fear, but I still get nervous. So this is gonna be really fun. The only good thing is that I just need to be silly and emotional, especially for this role. But I just need to be silly. I'm here to entertain people. If I look dumb, that's the point. That's kind of why I like streaming, and it's streaming has helped a lot. But hello, hi. What can I call you? I'm gonna call you Mooney for now. Charmooney. Well, I've almost called you Charmander. Charizard. Charizard. I hope everybody knows what reference. Name is Charlie. People also call me Char or Charm. Aw, Charm is cute. But okay. Taking note, and it's archived in my brain now. Ooh, money is nice too. Mooney. Okay. Okay, wait. That man's still there. Okay. Charmander too. It just reminded me of Charmander. I don't know why. Remember when I learned about actors who are triple threats? And I was like, wow, honestly, triple threats are scary. Okay, also, game no. I think I've done this fight like 5 times and we haven't won yet. So we're gonna struggle through it, but we're struggling through it together. I'm gonna let the cutscene play a little bit. I need to uncrunch my legs.
You.
Okay. How's your day? My day's, honestly, it's been rough. My day's been rough, but it ended on a good note because I got the lead role in the play I auditioned for. So it's good. It's a good day. Love this game. I love Resident Evil so much. So if you ever want to talk about Resident Evil, you came to the right stream. I love this game and I love the whole series.
Very good questions, unfortunately.
Oh, my friend is me.
Hi.
Sorry, my friend.
In that case, here, help me. Ashley, quick, over here. Go.
Screamed when I saw the list. Okay, sorry. My friend texted me. He's like, Sarah, you gotta lead. I'm like, I know. Sorry if I'm... Okay. Ooh, that's not the pause I wanted to. Oh, okay. Ashley. I love Ashley so much. But also, thank you. I'm very excited. It's the first time I've ever gotten lead. I didn't expect to get lead. So I'm very shocked as like everybody. Okay. Putting that down. I'm like rolling up my sleeves. Leon! Okay. I don't expect to get this first try. Because it's been like a week of me playing this before. Or a week since. We do love her. Honestly. She's very cute. Ooh, my mouse feels extra sensitive. Okay. I'm not stretched.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Shut up, you'll be good to go.
You deserve it. That's what you got it. Oh, thank you. I know I really like my director for that one, so I am very excited to work with him. Ooh, stay out. Okay, Luis, keep on shooting them, please. You did not keep on shooting them. Okay, Luis is very bad at this. Okay, one thing I hate is that they always go after me and not Luis. I'm like, please go after him. The only sucky thing about doing this play is that I have school during the day and now I have rehearsals at night, so streams are gonna get wonky. But I'm still gonna do it. See, my day is not going that well. My laptop was hacked. Oh no! Well, at least like you're resetting it, it's getting fixed. But that does suck. But it can get fixed. It'll be fine.
not so great day. But you're here. So I will be the funny little voice in your head that'll keep you entertained and hopefully make your night better.
Whoa. You're a little close for comfort. I need to learn. I'm playing on professional, so I have to hit perfects. Whoa. Sorry. So one. Okay, there we go. I was tabbing so far out of the game. Oh my god. Okay. I'm getting everybody messaging me now about the role. Everything is going to be okay. So I wanted to listen to stream while I do that, and I really like yours, so thank you for the comfort. Aww. I'm glad. That's what I'm here. That's why I do acting and theater. I'm like, I want to entertain people and keep them company. Even if it's just, you know, listening to me suffer as I do this fight, because I'm going to. But like, I'm just here to keep you company. And like, everything will be fine with the laptop. You'll get it fixed. It'll be good. If anything happens because of it, it still can be fixed. It's not the end of the world. So we got it. You got it. I'm here. I will be the comfort. Eat that shit up. I'm responding to people because now everybody's messaging me. I've never been like on the receiving end of getting the lead role where everybody's like, oh my god, you did so well. I knew it. I didn't expect that. Oh, you got it. I'm hyped. Hyped. There we go. I spelled hyped so wrong. Okay. Woo! Yeah, cheer, cheer, cheer. Let me take a drink. I'm talking so much because I'm so excited. I will be the best comfort. Okay, we need to pick up some things though. I think they're at this window. Excuse you. Oh no. Okay, he's just that. Let me make some quick maths. We'll do that. Okay. What's the play about? Is it a drama or a comedy? I want to say it. So it is about D&D, but it is. Oh my god! Everybody's messaging me. It is about a sister who finds her. I don't know if they're twins. I need to look into it more. But lurking now. Have fun lurking. I'm here. I'm glad my voice is nice to listen to. I'm here to keep you company. Don't worry. I hope you get everything's fixed. So all those kind words. Thank you for lurking, and thank you for the follow. It is a little bit of a drama and a comedy, mainly comedy because it's kind of a silly little show, but it's about a sister connecting with her sister who had just passed through her D&D like story. So it's a little bit of a dramatic. De nosotros. Sorry, Luis. You got this. Oh! Pay attention. Leave me alone. Akira. I hope everybody knows what that little voice line's from. Okay, good. He didn't turn. Oh! I thought that was Luis. You're some old lady. Okay, good. She didn't turn.
Appreciate it.
Trying to like pick up stuff. Okay, I need that right now. Oh!
Out of the way.
I need to use this. So I can do this. That gets me in that. Woo! Okay, we got another thing. Wah! Oh my god, what you got going on there, Luis? And no, wait, get out of my head. Akira! Leave me alone! Akira! Bah, 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 bah.
Okay, what do I have? Oh, I hit him? I didn't hit that one. Oh, stay down there. I hear Luis fucking it up down there. Okay, he's dead. Oh. Oh, hot diggity damn. I'm so glad they topple over because they fall down on each other. Whoever he's fighting down there. Ooh. Please don't turn. Okay. Oh, hold on a moment, sir. Thank you. Oh my god, there's so many goodies here. I've been waiting for you, hero boy. Oh, excuse me. I was just about to board up this window.
All right, this one's good.
Son nosotros. Oh, ouchie. Eso. Ah! Sorry, didn't mean to make that noise, but you know, oh, there's another ladder there. Got you. Okay. Gracias. Now deal with them. While I deal with this. Okay, we need to jump down. Okay. Yes, sir, I know. I'm just... Oh, hi. Ooh! Oh my god, they're all jumping down! Ah! Okay, well, she like backhanded me. Okay, let me load the game. That wasn't that bad. We got this. We got this. We got this. We can do this. Okay. I can't spell happy. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Okay. You know, I'll say we didn't die by a shovel. So, like, I wasn't wrong. The shovels ain't stopping us. We have, like, nothing. ¿Dónde está ahí? No, thank you. Actually, so cute. Okay. We got this, though. It'll just take a little bit. I mean, I didn't expect...
Ashley!
Oh, you're joking, Ashley. What if I... You know, what if I do this? What happens? What happens if I just run into the cutscene? Hacks. Ashley took the hit for me. I was like, how do I skip? Tab. Let's go. Okay. What happens sometimes when that pops up?
Oh, wait, that's not forget. This rug is made up of
Is that
done warming up.
I accidentally click off the screen because it
Stretched.
tabs out.
Yeah.
Give me the...
We'll be good to go.
He's so stressy. Killed them for a little bit. Stop shooting at them, Luis. Oh, oh my god, the barrel. The little bucket. The little pot. Get out there. Oh, Luis! You did a terrible job! Oh, I'm doing a terrible job. Okay. Oh, he dropped an herb. Thank you. Oh, sorry, Luis. You know, better me than you. Better you than me. Not me than you. I just need to keep them out. If Luis can handle her.
They keep coming.
Okay. Oh my god, lady. Woo! Not allowed. We don't need those. Oh my god. Oh my god, my encoder's overloading. What happened? I wonder what's happening with that. It's my graphics card, but I don't know what's up with it. Oh, Luis. Oh! This is a little unfair, Luis. Excuse me. Oh yeah, I saw. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Oh, I missed. You, not allowed. You, not allowed. You, not allowed. Oh, okay, you're allowed. So sorry. Didn't mean to stop you. Oh my god, he's zooming. Oh, he's zoomed. Hold on one moment. Oh, I haven't used any health though, and we're doing it.
Shit.
Oh, okay, but I have. Whoa. I would love that really quickly, sir, but like, let me do something. Oh, yes. Oh, who threw that? I was. Oh, excuse me.
This one's on me. How thoughtful.
I don't know how I dodged that. Oh, hi. I thought you were alive. Yippee-ki-yay! You die already. Whoa! Oh my god, I tapped in and out of that too many times. And I still proceeded to fuck it up. Okay, we're gonna use this one.
Next.
I killed him? Okay, cool. Hey, Luis. Give you a hand, I have 3 bullets. Oh, thank you.
Use this.
Oh, thanks for actually holding him still. Oh. Nosotros. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, this might be a bad idea that I just did there, but it's okay. I don't know why I said. I don't know why these are the noises I make, you guys. Oh. Whoa! Wow! Okay, that was a little unfair. Whee! Luis? Okay, I'm glad we have the same idea, Luis.
I've been waiting, hero boy.
You haven't! You just got up here, sir. That's not what- oh. Excuse me. Okay. I just walked past him. Oh. Excuse me. Yeah, do we have any health? Okay, but do you see my health, sir? What do we have? What do we have? Do we have any? I have this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What did you drop? Nothing? Okay, what do we have? I'm in a dire situation.
Perfect timing.
Whoa! Excuse me! Oh, guess who's here? Big boy. Oh. I
Look, we've got a big one on our hands.
Whoa.
See at the moment. Hey, our guests would think we're rude.
Okay, well, he can think I'm rude.
Just as well.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, where's Mr. Big Boy? I just need to kill him, right? Oh, 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 oh. Yeah! End him! Woo, woo, woo! Louise!
Give me a hand.
Woo! Louise, I'm a little scared. Ah! What are you? I need to not sound like a bird, but I get scared and I just make noise. Oh my god. I am living off single greener. No! No me jodas. Oh my god. At least this isn't permadeath. I think I would cry if this was permadeath. When does Nikki get home? Oh, I'm having so much fun. Oh, I'm not having so much fun. Do you see how much ammo I have? Hi, sir. Can I, like... I think I for sure need shotgun, but I don't have enough. What do you have?
Ooh, what you buying?
What are you selling? What does he have?
What's that? How have we procured these curiosities? You don't want to know, mate.
Okay, this is this one.
Why not try your hand at a new gun, stranger?
Let's see. Do I have any money? I do have some money.
Molding a weapon. We're starting to get an idea of your tastes, friend.
Maybe this with
See
that.
how that feels, mate.
Okay.
Might wanna take care of any leftover errands before.
Did I finish everything in this area? I mean, I don't really want to have to go back through everything. I think for once I actually got all the treasures from over here. That's pretty sick.
Going
Okay.
this way. Be ashamed to live the rest of your life, won't you?
What if? Am I right?
Right?
Excuse me. Okay. Sorry, Ashley. I hope you're okay. At this point in the game, I completely forget about Ashley's. Oh, excuse me? Ashley looked like. Wow. Okay. Move out of the way.
Words of it against two of us. Oh, and let's not forget, this room is made up of monsters. You done warming up?
That old lady there.
Yeah. Now if you'd shut up, we'd be good to go.
He's so sassy. Oh, they just toppled it over. Woo! Oh, hi. We ain't getting down by shovels, okay? Woo! Aww. The aw was the fact that I missed it. Oh, okay. I don't need that right now.
Sorry.
Okay, this shoots much faster now. Okay. Whoa! Ow! Why would you do that to me? Whoa. You know, it'd be much- Whoa! No. I don't know why we did that. Oh yes, come up my plan here. Up the stairs, up the stairs. One at a time. Like actually... Oh. Not allowed. Oh, hi Luis. What you doing there? Oh, Weeba. Weeba? Okay, I don't want that thing out there. Sir, I don't know how you missed. Ooh. Okay, what do we have? We do have shotgun. Whee! Oh, he just pushed him out of the way. How rude. That's your friend. Oh. You, take care of you, hit you a little bit, and then hit you. Gonna hit you in the butt. And then pick up everything that's on the floor here. Good you. No, I missed him. Okay. Somebody threw something at me? Oh! Oh, somebody's about to like deck me with something. Okay, excuse me, pardon me. I'll be right back down. Hey.
Perfect time. Give me a hand.
Well, I've been giving you a hand, sir. Oh, another one. Okay. No. Okay, so we have the first floor taken care of.
Give me a break already.
Just need to take care of these dudes. Who turned it? Whoa!
Bingo!
Oh, bingo. Baba boy. Okay, we're going straight up there. Yes, that's where I'm going. Yeet. Okay. Yeet. I think I need some. Whoa! Uh-oh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay, calm down, game. It's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a hand here. Nice move.
Okay. Whoa, whoa. Luis. What do we have in our pockets? Okay. I do have one more healing. Luis.
Bingo! You didn't do shit!
No me jodas.
That was rage against Luis. He didn't do shit.
That's a fucking memo. I didn't do shit. Oh, that's a different group chat. Okay, cool. This is quite fun. I may be stuck here, but I am in bliss. Ow. I just punched my mic arm. Okay, let's talk to him again.
Well then, what can I do you for?
Nope, wrong button. There we go. I mean, I can sell this. They give me a little bit more money.
Pleasure doing
I would
business.
like to sell some of these. This is... Ooh. 9. It might be better to sell it now. So I can get some money.
I'll buy almost anything.
I mean, I could sell this weapon. That's 4,000. Let's do an economical purchase. What did, that's only 4,000.
Stranger. Ooh, I'll
Okay, we'll
pay
do
a
that.
pretty penny for that.
Okay, if I really want it back, I can get it back there. Okay.
All my wares are in tip-top shape. I assume
Doing
we're
this one.
starting to get an idea of your
Rate of fire.
tastes, friend.
What is damage at? 2? Do one.
There you are.
Do the rest in rate of fire. Do I need to do anything for my knife? No, my knife's good.
Gotta select.
Let's
Might
see.
wanna
Okay.
take care of any leftover errands before
I
going.
don't want to waste any bullets to test it, so we're just gonna go.
the rest of your life.
Come on, Ashley. Oh, Leon, don't. Don't. You can't touch us. You can't get to us. Okay. Let's go. Okay, Luis, I would like it, but in a moment.
Against 2 of us. Oh, and let's not forget. It's made up of monsters.
I hate that it turns
Warming up. Stretched.
the camera.
Yeah. Now if you shut up, we'll be good to go. Light it up.
Honestly, he really does need to lighten up. This. Oh, they're both dead. Okay. Oh, no, I hear that. Okay, take care of that. Me? Why are you pointing at me? I did nothing wrong. This is just a poor little Leon. What would he ever do to you? Shoot you? No. Never. Oh, okay, that's not allowed. Oh! Thank you, Luis.
Give me a break already.
Yeet. Anybody over there? Okay, gotta reload. I'm gonna do that. Huh. The one singular dude who didn't go to the other window that just got exploded.
This one's on me.
Okay.
How thoughtful.
Oh, ain't that nice? You stay back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, excuse me. This is getting quite busy over here. Oh, Luis, I need that.
Stay focused.
Luis? Luis is about to betray me there. Okay. I really love Luis just boosting his ego. He's broken there. Viva eso. Me too. Oh my god, please, please don't be fast. Oh!
Shit.
Wah! It's a shovel. No, why would you do that? There's 2 of them just stuck there. Ah! Ow, that was rude. Oh no, they're not stuck anymore. Ah! We're not gonna talk about it. We're not gonna talk about it. Okay, we're just gonna do that. Nope, you know what? That's fine. It's okay. Luis, move out of the fucking way. Oh, Luis, you can handle it. It's just a little party down there. It's just a little party down there. Bestie! Hi, Autumn. Thank you. It's a very surreal moment. Joe Fest. I'm very like running on adrenaline. I'm stuck in this fight when I'm perfectly fine because I'm just like, oh my god. It's wild. But I hope you're doing well, bestie. Thank you, bestie. That's how I feel. Like gaming right now? I'm gaming. I'm so gaming. Unfortunately, they are also gaming. But you know, I'm a gamer. Are you gonna? No. No. You're not allowed to. Oh, hi. Whoa. Whoa. Slow it down there. Wait. Oh, ah. That's how, yeah, you get it. You're surreal. Stop it. Okay, okay. Mission 1. Kick.
Oh, sorry.
Be sassy to them. Oh, mission, oh.
You can thank me later.
Mission 2. Don't hit Luis.
Closed. Next.
Whoop! Okay, mission 2, don't get stuck in this little corner. Oh my god.
Thanks.
Woo, woo! Hammer is, shovel is not gonna kill us. Shovel, not gonna get us. Okay. Okay, downstairs.
All right, this one's good.
Clear. Now I'm gonna let Luis deal with that upstairs. Oh. While they angrily try to...
One down. Shit.
Oh. What do we have? Oh yeah, I didn't buy any of those. Can I make more shotgun shells? No. Oh. Luis, are you kicking down the things? No, you're not. I would really love to help you, Luis, but unfortunately you screwed yourself on this.
Goddamn 6 months.
It's been 6 months?
Goddamn 6 months.
You literally came up to me. We're like, I like this girl. I like your earrings. I want to be your friend. And now look at us. Russell's asking you to just. Wah!
I've been waiting here.
Oh, hello? Hello? What did I just do? Fuck off.
On our hands.
We. Wah!
A little busy at the moment.
A little busy at the moment.
We think we're rude. So much for service to this matter, huh?
Ah!
Just as well.
I didn't mean to make that noise. Ah!
Use this.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Oh, whoa.
No me jodas.
I don't even know what happened. Clink. Clink plunk. I can't even. I know I got hit by him, but it was so dark. I don't know what happened there. Thank you, B, for the 100 biddies. Thank you. I truthfully, I don't know. They're gonna perk it. Gonna perk. Gonna perk it up. Let's go. Okay. We craft. We don't craft. We upgrade our weapon and then we run. It's not that bad. I can make it to there now. So I got it. I just need Luis to fucking pull his weight.
Welcome. What can I do?
Maths. Homework. Maths. Big maths. Big maths here. Oh, we don't need that one either. Okay, so we can sell those.
Almost.
Okay, we do that, and then we're gonna do this. I should put a double power, you know? Okay, if I sell something,
Goes a long way.
we're gonna sell this. Nope, we're gonna sell this. for an economical purchase.
Thank you.
So that we can do, that we can do this.
Dazzle.
Economical
I-
purchase. Woo!
Oh, might wanna take
Be back later, have a great stream. Oh, I love you, Bessie! I love you, babe! Hello. Oh, you're on a 5-stream streak. Fuck it up. Ah! I need to press E. Okay, I don't need to press E. I need to get on stream streaks again. Joel fast! Joel fast! I want to be as fast as Joel. Like, look at him. Whoa. I didn't mean it to sound like that.
Hordes of them against 2 of us. Oh, and let's not forget. This room is made up of monsters.
This one is made up of monsters.
You stretched.
Oh, sorry, this isn't your house, ma'am. This is my house, so please leave.
Now if you shut up, we'd be good to go.
Leon's so sassy. We got a red herb right off the bat. Stop hitting that. This is my house. Oh, the barrel. Oh, don't hit that. That's mine. Oh, they hit it. Oh, you have a party over there, dude. You got a party. I don't like this party. I don't like that party. Oh. Oh, somebody else is turning over there. Stay back. You beast. He came in and knew weird. I don't want part of that party, Louise. Move out. Woo! Oh, I'm on toasty. Okay, but let's see what we have. Yeet. Somebody dropped a red herb down there. A green herb. Oh, sorry, that was out of spite, sir. I didn't mean to hit you like that. Okay, okay. If I guide them to the stairs... Are you gonna turn? No, you're not. Okay, but she turned. Dude, what's with you and these ones that are turning? Okay. Woo! Dude, what do I got? Emotional damage? Yes. Ooh. I'm busy.
Give me a hand here.
I most definitely shot Luis in the face, I'll have you know.
Health on.
Oh, hi. Okay, okay, okay. Too many people, too many people.
Present for
Oh my gosh! Just stop it, dude. You hurt. That heckin' hurt. Please, back it up. Back it up. If it... Oh, good heavens, what is happening? Oh, and I can't make that yet. What is health? Health is still good. You stop it. You stop it. Whoa! Yeet.
perfect timing. Give me a hand.
Okay. I hear noises. Sir, I don't like this.
You know what to do.
Okay. Oh, the party's moved downstairs. Oh. Ah!
Attention.
Shut up, Luis. Oh, what did I just do? That man just like swung. Okay, the party is on the stairs now. You get down. You get down. You get down. You get down. No, you get down. You stop it. Okay, wait, don't move up the stairs fast, please. Okay, you're moving up the stairs. Oh, hi! What are you doing up there? Are you lonely? Excuse me. Oh, I can... Ow, 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 ow. No, you can't. Okay, Luis. I have a mission. Okay. We do this? Oh my god. Woo!
Alright, this one's good.
That thing, if I can hit it. Woo! Ah! She came out of nowhere. Oh, okay, that's what I get for trying to stab her like that. I didn't mean to. Okay, Luis, I have like no ammo though. Thank you. Bingo. Luis, I would love to, but I'm a little stressed, okay?
Do something, would ya?
Woo! Okay, Luis, well, you should do a better job. Whoa! Shovel! The shovel didn't get me. Boys, we're gonna be stuck here forever. This cannot be the entire stream. This cannot be the entire stream. We can do this. Oh my god, I can have cookies. I'm not gonna do a long stream though, I will say. Okay, anyways, sorry, I had to get that out of my system. Oh my god, I can sell this?
I'll buy almost
I didn't know that.
anything.
Almost anything. What won't you buy?
Thank you.
Oh, oh. We're gonna this one.
Dazzled, are you? Our
More
price
power. Oh, I need to sell a little bit. What else did I sell?
Ruby's all rubbish. It makes no difference. The price,
Chicken.
that's our choice to make.
Chicken. Do I have any? Oh, I can sell that.
Not bad.
Cause I don't have that gun.
There you are.
That'd be better.
As you wished.
Okay,
I still have some. Might want to take care of any.
do this. Organize it. Put on my slippers. What's a great? What's a good song? What's in my? Listen to Gauche. Okay, we're gonna play music and we're gonna do this. Okay, I was spamming E just in case. I cannot lose the health. You can't catch me. Oh my god. Okay, you can't catch me. He thought he was gonna catch me.
Over here.
I have the music just like playing in the back. It'd be fine. Ooh, okay. After this attempt, I'm gonna have to dip for a moment because my father's home. I need to tell him the news.
Against two of us. Oh, and let's not forget. Done warming up?
I've never played Warframe before, but man, does Gauche make me want to play. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Now if you'd shut up, we'd be good to go. Light him up.
Okay. We are getting this done. Eventually. Is that the singular grenade? Eh, fuck them. You're not allowed in my house. Oh, you're loud in my house, okay. Luis. Oh, okay, fuck that. He's just turning.
One down.
Whoa! Wah! Oh, he dropped health. Oh, Luis. Oh. Kill one, the other one shows up. Luis, could you like move? At least you're not like no, I don't want what you're selling. I don't want what you're selling. Okay. What just like Luis, how is that window?
Sorry.
Oh, ma'am, you look quite angry. Woo! No! Sorry, this song was playing perfect. I would really love the ammo, but I'm a little bit in a predicament here. Okay, no one's dropped what I need yet. Okay. I can't leave him unattended. Oh, you by so I know. Okay, he's dead. Are you dead? Oh! Oh, okay. Whoa. 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 Oh no, Shovel Man. This one. Okay. What do we got? Oh. Okay. Okay. We're near this window. Woo! Oh, is he broken? Okay, he is broken. Hey, Luis, I would really like some ammo. Somebody fall down the chimney? Whoa, you're not Santa Claus. Ooh, another plank. Okay. Nope, hold on, sir. Hey, Enchanté. Did I kill him?
Let's go upstairs.
I love the calm every time. That was not very calm. Alright. I'm trying to pay attention. But like...
Place closed.
Mierda? Whoa! 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 Okay, sir, I really want to get past you and do that. Oh my, oh. Somebody's turning over there. Oh, okay, bye. Anyways, oh, hi. Don't hit me, please. Oh, somebody hit me. It wasn't him, though. Oh, good heavens. Oh, you. We're gonna bob and weave here. Bob and weave. Whoa. Woo! Hey, it's okay, it's okay. You down, and you down. You're not down. Okay. Oh no!
Little busy at the moment.
Okay, we have a green herb. Oh, whoa!
I guess bullets were just as well.
Luis, I think they're slightly breaking. I'm on fire! Oh god. I hate this man so much. I'm gonna lose my fucking shit. Ah! It's like the calm music. I'm dead, come talking. The Oompa Loompa. I didn't see the new Willy Wonka movie. Oops. Oompa Loompa song now? That bops. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. Okay, wait, no, I'll be right back. You right back? I'll be right back. You guys can enjoy the Oompa Loompa song. I'll be uno momento. And then we try again. Otherwise, I'm thinking I'm gonna lose time. I lied. I lied big time. My father is just sitting in the bathroom, so I'm like, okay, father, you can wait. Tell you when you get out. Okay, we need to do all this setup.
Well, what can I interest
I didn't mean to do that, so oopsie. Okay, we don't need this. And we can sell this. I guess we can sell this too. Okay, do that.
Try that on
Do.
See how that feels.
Ooh, I can almost
Fella like
afford.
yourself should notice the difference
The
right
rather
away.
What have I got? What can I sell?
Valuables won't do you much good in the ground.
I mean, I'm not gonna use these.
Thank you.
About that.
A deal well struck.
Just 14? Oh, I did. Okay.
Thank
That, and then we can afford this.
This kind of work
Okay,
is a-
we'll see if that
I
helps.
want to take care of any leftover errands before
Okay,
going
this is
to
slow song. We need fish. This is classical. Aerodynamic. Let's go. This is gonna be like my biggest journey. The fact that this isn't a boss fight, it's just a stay alive. Oh my god. I hate that every time. Hi sir, it was nice knowing you. How many tries will this take? Will this take the entire stream? I want to like focus on it and do it, but I know if I focus, I'm gonna shut up. But I know I can do it.
Yeah. Now if you'd shut up, we'd be good to go.
He's so sassy. Luis, you gotta keep them out. I can hear Daft Punk going off. Two? Okay. Oh, how lovely. He turned. Luis,
What the hell are you doing?
you're in my way. That's what I'm doing. Okay, he gave me a renerve. He's dead. Woo! Okay, I think we got this. Oh, oopsie. I just wanted the herb. Oh, thank you for moving, Luis. Ooh, there's more over there. What?
I am good. Thanks.
Oh, excuse me. Oh. I'm sorry, Luis or... Ah! Yeet, yeet.
Keep coming. Give me a hand here. Do something, would ya?
Yeet, yeet.
Leon.
Okay, I am a little bit low on health. Oh my god, we got them both. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, we're so good.
All right, this one's good.
Oh, oh my god, everybody's running after me. Ah! Well, that was a little mean. Well, okay. Okay, 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 okay. I'm gonna let him take care of those. Where did you come from?
Let's see you climb this. Leon, use this.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Oh, sorry.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay. I'm gonna go down. I need all the stuff that was down here.
We're losing ground. There's no end.
Well, just do better. I'll be there in a moment.
I've been waiting, hero boy.
Oh, sorry. Gonna kick that.
Keep coming. Shit.
Nosotros. Oh, okay. Woo! Why did that look like Luis for a second? Ah!
Next.
Woo! Don't touch me, sirs. I don't even know what song's playing now.
We've got a big one on our hands. Little busy at the moment.
Whoa! No! Luis. I have a little bit other priorities to be worried about right now.
Bullets were just as well. Do something, would ya?
No thank you.
It'll help.
No thank you.
Do something, would ya?
No thank you. Whoa. Oh my god, what am I stuck on? I'm pressing E just in case. Woo! Whee! I pressed E instead. Oh my god. Oh my, if Luis. Oh, it was rumbling. I was like, what the fuck is playing? If Luis makes one more sassy comment to me, I'm just gonna hit him again. I'm just gonna hit him again. That was such a good run. But we have it. It's there. I miss Nikki. When will she get home? Shit, I should see if my father's actually free now to tell him the news.
Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger.
Okay.
Your
Well, I won't need to
valuables
sell
do
one of
you
those
much
if I sell
good in
this.
grave.
That, and then... Okay.
I'll buy it at a high. Try that on for size. See how that feels, mate.
Oh,
Fella
it's
like
14.
yourself
What else
should
do I need to
notice the
sell?
difference right away. Come back when you can actually pay, mate. I'll buy almost anything.
Can't be so sassy.
Not bad.
Oh, I can sell all this stuff. That's what I can do.
Thank you.
I just need one more, so I just need to sell like this.
Well, I can certainly do something with it. Try that.
Woo! Okay.
You might want to take care of any leftover errands
Let's go, Ashley.
going this way.
Ashley, I haven't like heard you talking forever. I've just been in the same fight scene. Come on, Ashley. She's so cute. I have to do that other boss fight, which I feel like would be easier than this.
Leon!
Because this is just about lasting through all these.
Against two of us. Oh, and let's not forget. This spawn is made up of monsters. You done warming up? You stretched?
I mean, I did.
Yeah. Now if you shut up, we'd be good to go.
I mean, been doing this for a bit, you know. Get off of there. Oh, too high. Luis. Oh god. Oh, a kitchen knife. Hydrate! Oh, apple! Okay, I will hydrate. I will hydrate. Oh my god, you can see where my bullets are going and how they're not hitting. Oh my god. I'm doing so bad now. I had such a good run the last time. Hi, bestie. How are you? Ugh. Leon's not doing too good. Man, we had such a good run last time.
This one's on me. Sorry.
Sorry? Oh, that's Luis. Whoa! One down, that was two down, sir. Learn to do math. King math and normal difficulty? Honestly, I'm gonna hydrate now too. I feel like the boss fights are easier, but because this is just about lasting as long as you can, I'm like, please. Oh, whoa! Oh, I didn't want to let you turn. Wait, you're alive. You're not really that good, but you know. Boost your ego, Luis. Yeet. Yeet. Oh, hold on 1 second, Luis. Okay, he's dead. Can like... Okay, to the company. Hi, Josh. How you doing?
Appreciate it.
Woo!
Keep coming.
Somebody over there? Nobody's over there yet. Oh my god, we got it. Meowdy! Meowdy howdy, Josh. Okay, so they gotta come over here now. So I'm just gonna watch this window. How you doing? How are you doing too, Apple? How is everybody tonight? What? Whoa, whoa, where'd you come from? I hit him. Yeah. Stay back. Oh, the man who fell down the thing. Boop, bop, beep, boop, bop, beep. I can like barely see them out there. I was shooting. Luisa's so pretty, but then that boy cannot shoot. That boy cannot shoot for anything. Whoa! Yeet. That man always fucks me up. I don't really want to use it, but I'm going to. Okay, Luis. I'm a little busy. Do something. What? I'm a little busy, Luis. Like a stormtrooper. Honestly, he really is. And it does not help my current situation. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't know what happened in that sequence, but you know. Well, do better, Luis. The reason I can't fucking succeed in this is because you're not pulling your fucking weight, and I'm just here just like, oh no, there's so many, and you're just like, pop. You buzz off. Okay, well you can wait longer. Who's turning? It's too late. They're already turning. Bro, stay focused. Mrs. Honestly. He says that shit, yet he's the one missing bullets. I need them to drop help. Don't turn into anything. Okay, we're gonna give my computer a moment. Okay. It had a moment. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Little busy at the moment.
Yeah, honestly, actually. Did I pick up that health? Oh, I gotta use that now. Otherwise, I'm gonna die. Okay. Luis, I could literally not give a damn. Oh, oh my god, what's happening? Whee!
Present for you.
Okay, let's take this moment. What can we craft? Shotgun shells. Ah! Sorry, that was a strange man and he came out of nowhere. You don't deserve shotgun bullets. Okay. Sorry, you can't kill me in this. Whee! Don't ask what Leon just did. Hey, that was quite mean. That was mean. Stay down there. Stay back. I'm scared, Luis. I'm scared. I didn't mean to go down. Stay away from me. Luis, I'm scared. Luis, I have no we did that. Oh my god. Ashley, I've never been more happier to see you in this moment. Trash about Leon. We're not, but like, I don't know how you managed that. No one look at my health. That's what you fucking get. Yeah, bitch. Leon is so slay. I'm a dramatic king. Oh, it's just a scratch. It's just a flesh wound. He's just but a flesh wound. Ain't nothing big about it.
Ashley.
Oh, she just has not a flesh wound. She has an internal wound. She's fine.
Is this the first time you've coughed on blood like this?
You want to start explaining?
The cough, the blood, is caused by something called plaga.
Las plagas. Las plagas.
You saw those people, right? But you have the same thing inside you,
Oh my god.
like that.
No way.
This, what you're experiencing, these symptoms, they're only the beginning.
I don't want to become like them.
Glorious las plagas.
You are, well, lucky. You see, at this early stage, the parasite, the plaga, it is possible to remove it with the surgical procedure. And all
Or
you
just be
need is some
Ada and she
know-how.
throws it up.
Oh yeah. Treatment.
Look at me.
You too?
Turn on. She just needs to focus and then she won't die. Exactly, she won't die.
But you're going to have to trust me.
She'll be fine.
Great. We're partners then.
Oh no, I need me.
Hey,
Okay.
why are you
No time for any questions. The clock is ticking.
why are you helping us?
Because it makes me feel better. Let's leave it at that.
Yeah,
Contact you later.
Louis. He's so sassy.
Chippy chippy chappa chappa doobie doobie dabba dabba.
Fuck it up. Check it. Okay, we are saving. We have absolutely no health, no items, nothing. But you know what we got? We got past it. I'm gonna leave you guys on storage. I'm going to be right back because I need to go actually tell my father now the news that I got. Very excited. But because last time I went to go tell him he was in the bathroom, so he should be out by now. But I'll be right back and then we'll continue on. But we did it, everybody! It only took about an hour. It only took about an hour to do. It's fine. But I'll be right back and then we'll continue. And look at my stuff. Okay, I'm back. Hello. Boom, boom, boom. Bro, Bros, we have so much of this game to finish. Professional is being rough to me.
Ooh, we gotta see Ada. My wife! The voices!
Hey.
I forgot I put her in a different dress. Oh my god, her heels.
The kind you like. Now where's the
Oh my god, her glasses!
Fortunately, it's not on me at the moment.
Oh my god,
Man,
she's
you
so
should be
hot.
telling me what a good job I did. Busted my ass and managed to hide it right
Luis is me
before I
climbing
got
for Ada at any moment. I'll do anything for her.
Is why I'm still alive.
The deal
God,
was
look
we get you
at
out of here
Ada.
when you deliver the amber. No
She's
amber,
so
no
pretty.
protection, Luis.
Such a stickler for details, huh, Ada?
Anything for Miss Ada.
I'll go get it now. How about that?
Oh, she's so pretty in that dress.
Wow.
And I do have something else I need to get too.
Oh my god, do I have health?
This is Roost. I've got some bad news, Condor One. With the weather like this, the chopper can't make its approach. Can you stand by until it clears?
The helicopters
We're gonna
can
get out of here
make
and
it.
find someplace safe.
I'm sorry. I wish I could do more to help.
Don't worry about it. We'll swim.
My
home if we
merchant
have
boy over there.
to. Condor 1, out. Let's go.
What's
Well, me too, check in. Uh-huh.
If I was gonna tell you to F.
Huh? Did it just stop? I was gonna tell you to F. When you have all... me too. Don't worry. Have you seen Leon? He's so wonderful. But anyways, have you heard about the lovely letter F? F, 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 F. There it is. Oh my god, I got more health back by... Oh, fuck. Completing the chapter. Hacks. That's my boy over there. That's my merchant. Oh, bless me, him herbs. Sorry, I'm reading. Seen those nasty guys with the tentacles from... Oh, that's the bright lights.
Items in stock.
You do?
Come take a look.
Okay.
Welcome. Got some rare things
You got more
on
to
sale,
trade.
stranger.
I'm gonna keep that for later.
Wielding.
Oh, that's for the
What can
red.
I
That's what
do?
I have right now.
Gun will look great with that attack.
This TMP. Ooh, right, shotgun. How much is my shotgun selling for?
I'll buy, thank you.
Buy 28. So we need a little bit more.
Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger. Your
What can I sell?
valuables won't do you much good in the grave. Well, well. I can certainly come
Okay,
back
we'll come back for that.
anytime.
Okay, I just thought we were at another boss fight, and I the slow turn was me thinking, oh no, is this where I think we are? Does he have anything for me to craft into,
Well,
actually?
Ooh, what you buying?
Well, are you selling? No, okay.
Next time then.
Sorry, Ashley. Shotgun shells there, but I don't have any. Sources. What's this? Direct order from Lord Sadler himself. Right, shotgun is absolutely beloved. I need to get it. We need it for you. F is for Leon, who's looking fire. He's looking absolutely fucking fire. You did break Chat Cat. He just didn't even finish. He was just stuck on F. He really got distracted by Leon. Convert the area beyond this point to a defensive position and no intruders may pass. I'm willing to make any and all sacrifices for the sake of the righteous faith. My devote believers. I wanted to say beloveders, so I'm like, that's the wrong word. Build me a... Impregnable fortress and made a hero foolish enough to trespass with wicked sin of the blood. In blood. I really want that shotgun though. But I don't want to just sell everything willy-nilly. I can get that and then come back. Oh, saddler and more like Lorlia. Hee hee hee. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, take him back. Actually, we should save. Did he just sniff me? I'm gonna do this.
Ooh, you have the stench of battle on.
He just sniffed me. Okay, top goal of the game. Don't shoot Ashley. What will happen in the game? I probably and maybe shoot Ashley.
Moving, but quietly. Got it.
Okay. I'll try.
¿Dónde estáis?
Give me some space.
Okay.
Whoa! I was like, who shot me?
Shit!
When I tell you, my eyes flashed in front of me for a second because I thought I just shot Ashley. Whoa! Whoa, Ashley! Ashley, don't be so dramatic. Come on. Excuse me, you can't hit me while I'm in that animation. Ashley. I'm pretty sure I just shot Ashley in the ass.
You're serious. You hurt?
This ain't
Good. Thanks.
too good. Okay. Don't think you're supposed to die, Queen? Ah, you're right. You know, just a little oopsie daisy. It's just a little oopsie daisies. It's okay. Look what we have. All better. What oopsies? We made none. It's fine.
Not looking so good.
Oh, shut up, Leon. We're fine. A little ass shot between friends, per se. Oh, yes, per se. He's be fine. Ashley's fine. Nothing happened. Oh. I like... It's not like... Oh, oopsie. Did I do that?
All right.
Oopsie, did I do that? Oopsie, did I do that? ¿Dónde está? Está here. ¿Dónde? Oh my god, he just a fucking crossbow. Oh, I ran out of bullets. You can't hit me over here. I'm sorry, I will cheese the system. Thank you, sir. You're taking the bullets for me. Hehehehe. Anyways. From Leon? It would be a true honor if it was from Leon, you know? As everybody should be. Like, it's Leon. You know, I've done this part sneakily up until a certain point. I, in fact, did not do anything sneaky this time. I messed up immediately. Almost exactly immediately. Me when Leon... Honestly? I mean, have you seen him? Like, look at this boy! Can I go up there at all? No? Okay, we're gonna go make an economical purchase. Just takes a while to open these doors. Here for you, not Leon. Valid. Turnip, I take that. That's fine. Some of us are here for Leon, though. And that's also fine. Gargle is... You would... Darby, you would do what now? Oh, hi, Darby. Hi, Darby. Oh, no, I just got stoned, didn't I?
I'll buy almost...
I can't make an economical purchase yet. Sorry. Shut up. That was to the merchant. Sorry, that was quite mean. Ah. Okay, that should help. I'll be back, merchant. Trust me. Look at him. Would you not? I mean, it's Leon. I think I'd do anything. Coward? Ah, coward. It's okay, Turnip. We'll do it for you. Jordy, don't be upset about it. It means it's more for you, okay? More Leon for you. You don't have to share him, okay? You gotta share with everybody, okay? Un forastero. Hold on, I'm looking at my map. I left money? I left money. Don't like sharing anyway. See, exactly. It works out for you guys. Gargle twice as hard now to make up for it. See? It works perfectly fine. You guys are actually winning from it. So, like, it's okay. Oh! I didn't even see that. My tootsies got trapped.
Spread out.
Okay.
That's 3 of them? Yay! Oh my god! I killed one of them and they all started smacking me.
They keep coming.
They don't really. It's only 2 of them. It's okay. We love you. Ah! That's not what I expected. Okay. So keep Jordy! Jordy, no! Jordy, what are you doing? Jordy, what are you doing over it? Jordy? Jordy, it's not 3 AM. You can't wash your hands yet. It's not that time. Did I really step in another one? I ain't letting that happen multiple times. Okay, goal end twice here. My hand's dirty then. Jordy, rethink that decision.
Bunk Jordy.
Bonk. Bonk. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Aggressive. Smash. What? Oh, yeah, Ashley, why can't you help me in these situations? Oh, whoa. Don't ask why. I don't know what game trained me to, like, look down, look up, like, down, up, tame. What would you like? What cup of tea you want tonight, Jordy? What you want? Oh. There's a little bit of blood in here. Is that what I think it is? Oh my god, it is. I will, in fact, save. Way too many times? Yes. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. That is me. Oh, whoa. Jordy, you're a good girl. Don't worry. Bestest girl. Wow, so good. That's how I truly feel about you. Wonderful. Spectacular. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Yep, beam. Nice burp. Thank you. Thank you kindly. I'm doing a lot. Ashley. Ashley, guess what? I have to do a mini boss again. It's mini boss time. Woo! Collect as much as you can while you can. Don't shoot that. I need that for later.
It's quiet.
Yeah, I fucking wonder why. I'm scared. Anybody remember what part this is? Because I sure do. I hear that. That's a good type of swing. Maybe I should go get that shotgun. Hold on. Do I have anything to sell? I do. We're getting that shotgun. We are getting that shotgun and we're coming back. Because I don't think oh, I missed some barrels. Wait a minute, I just realized something. I heard that. You think you can hide from me? 12 out of 16. I'm missing 4. I heard that noise and I was like, wait a second. I know what that is. Oh, come on, Ashley. I forgot.
Okay.
You're far away. Don't just, me? Ooh, Ashley. Your toes. Let me protect you. There you go. Don't step in them. They kind of hurt. Not gonna lie. My tootsies have touched them a little bit and I don't like them. This cast is about to meet the whole other side of me of being annoying and being completely unhinged nerd. It's gonna be fun.
Hello, stranger. Well,
Hello.
got a selection of good things on sale. Ah, that there's a real
Boomstick.
mate. It will reduce your target to a bloody pulp.
Thank you, Mr. Merchant. I like you a lot. Oh, Mr. Merchant. Oh, chalice. Okay. Hold on, Mr. Merchant. I got some money for you. Nope. That kind of pisses me off.
Get yourself
But I want money, so I'm gonna sell it anyways.
What you buying?
Well, you sell it.
Thank
Tune up.
you.
Fix that.
It's new. Try that on for size.
Rate of fire.
Are you?
I'll do that.
Come back anytime.
I don't know if I like this selection, so we're not gonna save it, so I'll have to I'll save it over there. It'll be fine. Kiss the merchant? I wish I could kiss the merchant, give him a little smoochie on the forehead. He's a good merchant. I love him. I love my little dude. What are you buying? What are you selling? Yeah, because I have to do this boss fight. I'll save up here. Again. My nonsense saving. If this game ever asks me to save less, it's gonna be a fun time. Me when I want to do a permadeath. I don't think I would ever do permadeath professional run. I think I would die so much. I would never be able to beat the game. I would just die. Like, in the game. Sorry, I need to emphasize that. Like, I would honestly, I would die so much in the house scene that I just got past. Because that's where I think I've died the most. Okay. Just gonna take that. ¿Dónde está ahí? Boop, boop, boop. Are you turning? No, you didn't. Oh, please die. Nope. Okay, okay. Ashley, this is gonna be a really fun time, but lucky for you, you're not gonna have to go through this. So, you know, benefits for you. You won't have to see these horrors. Okay, the shotgun shells, and I do actually need those. Oh my god, the bestest of the best. Oh, I think that's a lamp underneath. Start with that. Okay. I don't have that many herbs, though. That is the only... What did I just get? Why do I have so many grenades? Is that attached? That's attached? Okay. I think it's just that. I don't want to go in there yet. That just goes around like that? Okay, yeah, that's what I was hearing. Ashley, how are you that out of breath? Okay, another herb. That's good. Anything over here? This is a loop around. Okay. Oh boy. I missed it. What's your good news? Oh, my good news? Oh yeah, I left a while ago to say that. I had to go out again. I got cast as the lead role in my play. I'm very excited. I girl bossed a little bit too close to the sun and got it. It's exactly what I did with the Halloween maze, and you know I got it. Congratulations, thank you! I'm so excited. It is going to be so much fun. And I really cannot nope. Okay, that's blocked.
It's locked. Hide.
What?
Hide.
Okay.
Actually, I told you to hide.
Won't open.
Oh, I fucking wonder why. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh yeah, what play? It's called She Kills Monsters. It's a D&D play. There's a lot more to it than just D&D, but that's the best way to describe it, and that's why we're all super excited about it. Like, we've been talking about it so much, and we were even telling or the director, we're so excited. So cool, yeah! I'm so excited. We were literally telling the director so much, just like how we all were super excited and looking forward to auditions and everything. But I got the lead role. I don't know how I did it. I don't know. My friend Linton was just like, he's had his eyes on you. I swear. Like, he's been since Halloween Maze. Like, he wanted you as it. I'm like, that would be amazing if it was. But also, I didn't expect it. I just went into this silly little comedy skit and messed up my lines, but still did it. Are we invited? Nothing makes the experience like hecklers. Okay, don't you fucking dare be a heckler. You can come see the play. That's fine. No hecklers. It's in a really small theater. Because it's a black box theater. So it's like... The audience is all around us. The audience is around us in 3 different sides. But the stage is like thrusted out. So, yeah. Look, Greedo said, you shut your whore mouth, Kevin! This is such a small theater, but I can just hear your voice. I don't even know what you sound like, Kevin, but I can just hear you in the back, like the stupid comments in the back. I'm like, wow! Just the shouting, loud shouting in the back, except you can't shout in this one because it's so small, but like, just make your voice sound like you're super far away, you know? Oh, the backflip time? Yeah, it's backflip times. It's backflip time. The unnecessary backflip.
Great.
Don't worry about them, Apple. That's how they built. Oh, she takes it.
I realized that was yours.
Normal person steps back. Ooh! Normal person would step back. Oh my god. Excuse me.
Sorry, you're not my type.
Leon. What? Nobody look at the man right behind me. Leon Slay. The heckle's pre-recorded. Okay, what do we have?
Present for you.
Maybe I saw. Wait. Don't you dare. Oh, hey, what's this? Oh. Don't mind if I do. You tell him, Leon. Exactly. Only 2 guitars type. Georgie. You know. Just a little bit of RE lore drop. Ah, yeah, exactly. Oh. Just a little bit of. Okay, whoa. I wanna kick her, I wanna kick her, I wanna kick her. Bop. Whee! They have like long legs. Okay, it did set them on fire. He poked my ass. I didn't know why I said ass like that. Nosotros. I know, I know, I know. Oh my god, she's on fire chasing after me. Look at them twinning.
Here you go. Are you even feeling this?
Sorry, I don't know why I made that noise. I don't know why that's the noise that I made. Woo! Stop who's throwing shit at me? Jordy, I know you're playing games, but I bought Helldivers. Oh my god, she's on fire.
Stay down, right?
Oh, I should have kicked her, but that's okay. Is it downloaded? It is! I've had it downloaded for like a couple days now. I honestly just haven't played games. Whoa! Excuse me, boys. Okay, we need to... I need to do the tutorial. Whoa. Sorry, I got stuck on the stairs. I got a little stressed, as you can tell. I need to do the tutorial. Shut up. You sit down. Oh no, bro. Oh, he's fine. He's fine. It's absolutely fine. He's fine. Don't worry about it. He just needs a little sleep. He just needs a little sleepy. Whatever. I was playing that day. You were playing democracy. It's treason, mutiny. You should have been even tell me. I'm sorry, Yorby. I'm sorry. I failed you. It smells like food in my house. It smells like food. I failed you. Well, yeah, Leon will just walk it off. He'll be fine. I think I've had it downloaded since like Monday. Since like Monday. I've had it downloaded since Monday. You guys want to liberate some planets together? Oh my god. Oh, you read my mind, bestie. I too want to liberate some planets with the besties. Ah, it's a dream come true. Oh, there's ammo here. It's my favorite pastime. Okay. Oi. Let me just eat fap. Should be only the one man. Where'd he go? I don't know. Sure, you left me.
Spread out.
Okay, I'll stay back.
Where is he? We're hunting for rabbits. Wah! Okay, that was a failure of my plan. Now I'm on fire. Please die. Okay, he died. Now we commence operation Don't Die, even though I have like no health. I can't wait to liberate other planets with my besties, with my friends, my besties. He's my best friend. He's over my bitch. Okay, you gotta do this. That with that. Like that. Do I need to go get that little trinket from over there again? Let's go get that stuff. That would be smart. I forgot about the little trinkets. Yes. Use. Acquire trinket. Trinket acquired. Okay. I think I should heal before, because I have very little health. Ooh, more. I can use the 1 health then, and then I have that little thing.
Wait here.
What? Okay.
Do you want to see the 2 Chainsaw Sisters? I don't think you do. Bye! Ah, she's playing DVD. She's embodying her role of a horror protagonist. Oh, that was a first aid spray there. Is that it in here? Yes, Cerritos. Okay. Are we ready for the sick-ass backflip again? Her role as a whore? No, as a... That's not what I said. Why would I ever call her such a thing? She's mousely. She's too cute. She's just a little mouse. Okay, that doesn't open as much as that shows, you know?
Sorry, didn't realize that was yours. I'm a one-lady type of guy.
Damn, Leon. It's me, pardon moi. Okay. Wow! I missed 2 shots there.
Next.
Okay, I'm a little scared, so I'm gonna run away. Whoa! Whee! Run, Leon, run, Leon, run, Leon, run. Hi, Ashley. I hope your little cage there is happy. Whoop! Alley-oop. Don't jump down fast. They have such long legs, it's weird. Okay, I'm uncomfortable. There's too many of them. Sorry, Leon, that's not what I meant for you to do, but it's too late, so we're running. Did she just like slice his head off? I'm processing that now, but did she just like fully slice his head? Okay, I'm a little too close for comfort. I don't like that. We're just gonna run them in a circle. Okay. Oh, well, I killed one sister. I think the other one's mad now.
Son of a bitch.
Woo! Wow, oh my god, that's so many of them. Oh my god. Okay, excuse me, pardon moi. Excuse me, pardon moi. Finish the book? The beating boost for telling. Oh, how was it? Because I haven't. Whee! Oh my god. All these people getting in my way? Okay, I'm reloading. Eee! Oh my Jesus Christ. That was a little close for comfort.
Stay down, all right?
She gonna explode too? No? Okay. Whee! Oh, sorry, ma'am. Did that hurt? Let me help you with that. Okay, sure. Just take my last bullet, please. Okay, anyways. It was good. It was? Okay. Oh my Jesus Christ. Ashley, I didn't tell you to come out yet. You scared me. Okay, let's press those in there. I suppose. I need to finish what I was reading. The one that I showed. I was being good with reading it, and then I kind of took a break. Because school started and everything got hectic. But... oh my god, can I jump down there from there? Ooh, okay. I need to read again. I want to read. I still have all the other books that I've bought and all the other ones that I've bought over the years. But we're not going to talk about that because there's a large to-be-read pile. I'll get through it eventually. Eventually. But there's some good ones. There's a YA one that came out recently. That looks really good.
With me.
Okay.
Oh. Whee! Okay. I don't read YA too much. I have a whole bunch though. Okay. Everything's collected here. Let's go, Ashley. We're too good, Ashley. We did it. Definitely on the first try. Definitely. Definitely only took one try. It only took two here, so it's okay.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay. I guess.
Leon, she's been hiding that
Did
whole
well back
time.
there. Seems this isn't your first time running from creeps.
That's really sad.
I can't tell if that's meant to be a compliment.
Leon, that's a shitty compliment if it is one. How long has it been? 2 hours? Okay. Nice. Please don't be anything spooky. Please don't be anything spooky. Ashley's so out of breath all the time. I really don't want more of the money. Oh, yep. Oh, I know it's coming up soon. I think after that... oh, excuse me. Yes, finally. A flash grenade. Anything else in here? No? Yeet. Yeet. Water. Okay, so where are we going? Okay. This should be interesting.
All right, come on.
Okay.
Oh, hi. What do you think that knife's gonna do, Leon? Leon's terrified. It's just like Mr. X all over again.
Leon.
Requires cleansing.
I don't like this. Oh.
Come, child.
I think that door's broken now.
Run.
Ashley, I don't like this, Ashley. Ashley, stop crying. We just need to run.
Don't worry about them.
Free money! Oh my god, Ashley. Sorry.
This way.
Ashley! I don't know why I say this as if I'm shocked.
We need to go.
I don't know how she got her foot stuck in it. Oh, goodbye. Ow, he like bonked his face on the ground.
Closer.
Oh, that man's pissed off. Well, actually, we lived. Anyways, that was fun. Oh, I hear them gossiping over there. Oh my god.
Listen, you're the one he wants. If we see him again, you run.
What about you?
I'll do my job.
What's this? Huh? Okay. Bro wishes he was Mr. X. Honestly. Oh, god damn it. I don't know what this is. Hello. I wish it was Mr. X. That'd be so nice.
Welcome. Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger.
Not those things.
A deal well struck.
Okay, bye. What do we have? I do need this.
Stocking up while you can.
Tune up, and I want to repair this.
Give that the care it deserves, mate.
Can I tune up anything? I think it's gonna cost too much. I can do this. Ammo capacity.
Come back anytime.
Okay, storage? Not storage. Save game. I'm going to run to the restroom really quick. He said I'd do big stumpies too. He really want to be. That's his inspiration. That's his idol, Mr. X. That's who he wishes he was. Like, big time. That's his big idol. One day meet. He wants to one day meet him, except he's dead. Okay, let me run to the restroom really quick, and then we will attempt this boss fight? Attempt? I believe in us. I didn't hang up my jacket. Go piss girl. I did go piss girl. Don't worry, Jorby. I have a boss fight. I'm gonna only attempt this a few times, and then I'm gonna head off because I'm hungry again. Because I ate super early. I ate at like 3 p.m. That's a very early dinner. Okay, that's in the further place. Okay. It was refreshing, wonderful, spectacular. Now I can drink more water because I didn't get scolded today, but one of the main things that my professor was talking about of acting for a voice and stuff is, yes, hydrate. I'm like, fuck.
Hydrate, you
Oh.
bastard!
Oh my god, the timing of that. Thank you, Oppo. Yeah, he did say hydrate. And it also means I gotta banish myself from a lot of sugar and a lot of tea. Like, it's fine right now, but when performances come around, I can't be having as much. Because then I'm gonna be all phlegmy and like, need to clear my throat, you know. Oh, does anybody need meat? Isn't tea good for you boys? Yes and no. There's some teas that aren't. This is literally what I just learned today. Because tea with caffeine, not good. Too much sugar is not good. A little bit of honey is good. The best is just like warm water, especially with lemon. Lemon water. Water lemon. Lemon water. Didn't know that. Yeah, I didn't either. I just thought it was all tea. I guess it's for like using your voice because it helps soothe it no matter what. But when you're speaking and stuff and trying to use your voice, then it's bad. Tasty lemon boil water. Lemon boil water and go boil. Ooh, tasty, hot, wonderful. Wanna hear you sing? I'd love to see your play. I don't sing in this. We're gonna have combat though. Oh my god, I'm gonna do stage combat. Wow. Woo. But I mean, I do musical theater, but I also don't do musical theater. But yeah, can make you sing. Hey, you shut your mouth. Do you gotta use a sword? I'm not sure yet. I've read through the play, but I also haven't, and it also depends on what he wants to do for like the combat. You know, I know there is one of them is a demon killer. No, demon character. I believe more like tiefling rather than demon, but that's kind of her character. I need to look at this cast again. Hold on. Let me look at it. And one is for sure a druid. I know. She should be a druid at the least. I'm very excited because two of my close friends are some of the supporting characters. Evil Tina, Evil Gabby. A couple of my other friends too are the Des. Oh, Des. Oh, cool. That is so intimidate. Sorry, I cannot believe. Discord? Okay. You got it. How you get an image of me? Oh my god. That's literally me, Jeremy. That's me. Okay, fun fact. Hi, this is a boss fight. That's all I gotta say. Ow. Leon! Leon! You got this. Easy boss fight, but babies. But babies. Did I save? I did save. Did I save?
Cease your pointless struggle.
I did save.
Abandon your body.
GG. This is easy. First try. I got this.
You're a shitty missionary. You know that. Oh, Almighty, grant me the strength to crush your enemies.
You ain't no mister. Leon's like, where the fuck do I go?
Run!
Okay.
Bam.
Hasta luego.
I hate Leon so much. This is fine. Everything's fine. Oh my god, the original, the face I pulled when he did that.
Let's get ugly.
No thank you, Leon.
Should've known you were one of the bugs.
Whee! Okay, eyes on the back. Yeet. The amount of stress I'm in. Oh no, it's that move. Okay, okay, okay. We're assessing. We are conquering. And we got this. Leon is so lame. Hey, you shut your whore mouth. Leon is best boy, okay? You shit the fuck in the back of the classroom, Jordy, for that statement. How dare you? Leon the type of fella to say, gracias. Gracias, an Italian restaurant. You know, I will tell him. This is my boy. Woo! Oh, okay. I gotta watch these dodges. My knife! No, Leon, why would you do that? Okay.
That had to have done something.
That takes up a whole thing. Please make it up here. Oh, oh my god. Yeet. One. Oh no! Okay, I have to just fully dodge those now. Okay. Go up, go up, go up.
You move quick for such a big bastard.
I like him. He's the coolest guy, coolest lame guy ever. He's just the coolest guy ever. Okay, phase 1 done. Fucking. Ugh. This is a Dark Souls boss right here. We're in phase 2. This is where I'm really bad at dodging. Woo! Me. Phase 2 gaming. No one saw the second one. Okay. I'm gonna die if I don't use that. Okay. Oh! I need to itch my ear. Oh my, he's a whore. Phase 2 is beating the shit out of me. Okay. Whee! Oh my god.
Nimble son of a bitch.
Yeah, he is quite nimble. Oh my god! I just realized my health. Hold on, I ain't taking no risk. Woo! Ah!
Hey, watch where you're swinging those things.
I don't have a knife, so... Whoop. Oh my god, he got up so fast. Ah! Let's take this moment really quick. I want more of these. Should I heal? I wish I could repair this here. No, I can take one more. Oh! Well, you know, my calculation was correct. I could take one more. Just stop throwing those, please. Please stop throwing those. Oh my god. Oh my god. First try, boys. Ew. Hey, I think your eyeball fell out.
Leon!
Oh, she's so cute. Her in her emo clothes.
Leon! Quick! This place is coming down!
Oh, he's fine.
Give my regards.
Is there anything I left in here?
Dear God.
Did I leave it upstairs? Oh, well,
Hey! You coming?
yeah, you know, I'm leaving that. I don't want that.
Leon, hurry!
Hell yeah, boys. We did it. First try. Not his nice suit. Oh, there's absolutely no damage on it.
You're welcome.
Aww, she's so cute. Damn. What the fuck? Hi.
On to catch their attention.
Yeah.
Let's keep moving.
Leon, I'm not gonna turn into one of them, right?
No, you'll be
I won't
fine.
let that happen.
Too easy, honestly.
Promise.
Oh my god. They game hard next time. Fucking honestly, I'm a fucking professional and like this is what they give me? I went through so much health, oh my god. Anyways, like come on.
Come on.
Give me a challenge. I hear that. Give me treasure. Okay, there should be one more treasure. Yeah, up here. Oh, it's this. Gold token. That should be it, right? This used to be a hell part of the game where you'd have to go in and go to both sides and do stuff while you have Ashley and the shield dudes came out and everything. Why did that scare me?
What's going on?
Well, at least we don't have to worry about being followed.
I don't think that's what we should be worried about right now, Leon. Leon! Fuck yeah, look at that. End of chapter again. I'm going to get us a bit into this chapter before I quit for the night. Because honestly, that boss fight really didn't take that long. The other fight, where I have to just live in the house, took longer than that boss fight. Boss fight? That boss fight.
Hola, Luis.
Hola.
You guys still around?
Hello, senor. Hola,
Well, I wanted to
senor.
go home, but Ashley just had to see this castle first.
Perfect, because I have a present I want to give you. Medicine that will help to suppress the progress of your problem.
Where do we go?
Let's see. Come to the courtyard inside of the castle. We can meet up there.
Okay.
Now,
Ashley just had to see this castle, you guys. She just had
All
to.
right, Ashley. Luis just said.
I got it. Guess we better get going.
Hi, Birch. Hi, Birch.
Got some new wares, stranger. You're in for a treat. Welcome.
Hello.
We've got something new for you. All kinds
this?
of trinkets.
Ooh.
This castle.
Leather.
Doing it.
Drop rate of red herbs. Ooh, that might be nice. I won't get it yet.
A deal well struck.
Okay, what do you have? Oh, that's Stingray?
You'll get some bang for your buck. I guarantee it.
Ooh, what's here? Magnum ammo. I can't buy the butterfly yet, though. It's a broken butterfly.
Got a selection.
Okay, so if we want that, sell that, do that, and then buy this. Oh, my inventory's not full.
You've got the space.
It fits. Purchase item? Yes.
This gun turns heads into pumpkin smokes. Take this for a rampage through the patch.
Okay. Take
Stocking
that.
up while you can. Wise choice. Anything else I can help you with?
Oh, tune up. I need to fix my knife.
Give that the care it deserves.
Durability.
Are you? Don't get yourself killed now.
I mean, I'll try not to. It's fine though. Okay, storage. Store. We're gonna store that. That's our safety first aid spray. Huh? That's what he said. Huh? Oh god, I have 2 flash grenades. Hell yeah. Could really use some health, but you know, that's fine. Huh? Oh, there's more treasures now. Oh. I didn't even know. I didn't even notice that I opened. Oh, he's just heavy breathing in there. Okay, it's fine, sir. Oh, this castle looks so lovely. Glorious Las Plagas. I hate those dudes so
It's gotta be
much.
through that gate.
Oh my god, this is like...
Don't think our hosts are gonna roll out the red carpet.
I just had like a deja vu moment.
Crossbows, huh? Something tells me they don't want to be friends.
No, I don't think they want hugs, so yeah. Ah.
What is that? Guessing it's not for decoration.
Ah. Nah, Leon, actually, it's
Just
just
keep getting
decoration. Don't worry about it. Like, they're just really excited to have you over. Just a little hug for them as a treat? Ah, shit, you're right. Maybe they just, like, they're nervous, you know? They're not sure if they want a hug or not, but, like, you know, they're just they're a little tense. They're a little nervous. Not exactly sure, but, you know, they're doing great. We'll give them a little hug. Ashley.
What are they?
Shh.
Shut up.
Keep your voice down.
Half of this time it's just me shouting, Ashley, shut up. I'll hug them. Will it help? Hugging them, a little hug will help them. We all should give them a little hug. Don't push it too much. You know, maybe some just want a little handhold, but like, you know, they deserve. Hello? They deserve a little hug. I know what bitch is here. And I ain't fucking around. Oh, I know what bitch is here. Ashley, did you really need to say that while, like, up close? Boot knife. Leon's just so tired from shooting. Leon needs a little, like, a little vacation. A little vacation. A little massage. A little relax. Like, he needs, like, a hot bath to relax and everything. Can't play the piano? Sad. Big sad. Needs that princess treatment? He really does. This poor boy has been through too much. That's squeaky. Sorry, I'm looking for all the treasures. Not gonna lie. I see that. There you go.
Awesome.
Thank you. Oh no, I'm pretty cool, aren't I? Okay, I don't remember where all the rest of them are, but... Oh! Hi, yeah, I'm here to give hugs. That's me. Okay, Ashley, guess what? Run. Okay, if I go here now... Okay, so once I see them all... I'm pretty sure there's one back here. That's quite
Give
rude.
me space.
No problem.
Do it, coward. Do it again. Why did he pick up his head like that? Yeah, I know, Ashley. Thank you. Ah. Pretty sure these bullets should be hitting oh my god, I don't have a sniper equipped. They should be hitting like the wall, but you know it's not, so you know I'll take it. Oh nope. 6, 5. What is it? 5. What did I just do? I hit the thing out of the sky and then killed it. Okay. Would you really like handgun ammo? Do I have anything to make handgun ammo? No, but I actually will make more of this. I hear that. She's gaming. I'm a gamer. I love sniping. It's like one of my favorite things in games. Except I also... Whoa, hot diggity damn. That was a tad bit dramatic of you. You could, like, calm down. Hi. Okay, Ashley, they like their decorations, okay? That was poor timing. Let's go, Ashley. Oh, I forgot I had no bullets. Oh, we're fine. Don't worry about it. We're so good.
I guess this is their idea of a warm welcome. Ashley!
Ashley, seriously? Ashley? Ashley, do we have health? Oh, we do.
Ashley!
That hit her directly. Ashley is so observant. Oh, okay. Well, she got hit by a whole fireball. She should have been dead on the first hit. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, what's this? Many handguns available. Choosing the right one would be tricky. Lucky for you, the list of special characteristics. Whee! Power! Blacktail compact. 3 rounds burst. Matilda. The Matilda is what he had in Resident Evil 2. Just a little bit less observant than I thought. Yeah, you know, she's super smart. She's super smart. She stood right in the way of 2 different cannibal shots. She's just a little special. She's a little silly. Just a little bit. Only the biggest smarts here. Oh, it's Magnum ammo. I didn't get that last time. I like the randomized items. Oop. Yeah, she's just a little silly. Let's look at his little comments again. Sorry, Leon. You can talk about it, but I don't really want to.
Something
Like,
tells me they don't want to be friends.
yes, they do. Okay, you just haven't met them yet. Can't be that mean and judgmental.
Guessing it's not for decoration.
Maybe it is, Leon. Don't be so mean to them.
Getting better.
Oh, I'm still reloading this. Okay. Oh, that just... Okay.
What are they?
Actually, back the fuck up.
Voice down.
Do it. I dare you. Anyways, it's fine, Ashley. It's dead. Don't worry about it, Ashley. I've been here like once or twice, you know. I know the rules. I know the gaming. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Yeah, hi. That's me. You can hit me? You could probably hit Ashley, though. You can most definitely hit Ashley. I'll take the hit for you. No, you... Okay. Okay. Ashley. Good rules, and so do I. Can't believe this is your first RE. Honestly, my first RE game. My first introduction to this whole series. Thank you. It means so much. I'm glad I'm doing the series so much justice. I'm so glad. Whee! There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Magic!
Stick close.
Okay, wait, hold up. We gotta get Ashley out of... Okay. There we go. Hello, welcome in, Raiders! Magic Brew, thank you for the raid.
Great asset
For the company.
Great
Great asset to the company. Hello, welcome in, welcome in. Oh my god. I'm taking this moment to like stretch. Let me do a little quick little. Let me do a quick little. Ooh. I'm trying to give you a shout out, but let me type.
Hydrate, you bastard! Hydrate!
There we go. There we go. Okay, I was typing. I was furiously, like, concentrating on typing. RE4 is going wonderful. I got past where I was stuck, and then did the boss fight. Easy. But now we're here, and Ashley just got double whammied by the catapult, so I'm doing great. Ashley, not so much. You're welcome! Thank you for the raid! Also, for anybody new here, hello, hi, I'm Sarah. I play a lot of horror games. Currently going through Alan Wake 2 and RE4, but I'm professional, so I'm suffering. But hello, hi, welcome in, everybody! Okay, and thank you, Apple, for the hydrate. Thank you, thank you. I've hydrated. I want more of my chipotle, so I'm not going to be streaming for too much longer. But, thank you for the raid, and we will chill here for a little bit. Ba-da-ba-ba. Oh. I forgot about this one. Ba-da-ba-ba. Do-do-do. Thank you, Goddick. I don't know where you're trying to aim, buddy. It's good. I have 4 bullets.
Nice shot.
Aw, I thought he was gonna peek that way. Yeah, actually, last time you got fucking decked by it. Actually, this time you got decked by it. Okay, last one's up there. Come on, do it!
Whoa.
Hell yeah, okay. Moving forward. Bitch is tired, bro. I'm fucking tired. Nikki, I'm sweet. I'll cry again. I've been... Boom! Ashley, I'm going to remind you.
Okay.
Don't get hit by the giant catapult. It's not friendly. Understand? Cry, I dare you. No, I've been crying way too much. Oh, hey. 1 of 6. Hold on, Ashley. We gotta go back down here. I thought this one was gone. Oh, wait. I didn't get this barrel. Actually, I don't know if they can hit us over here at this. There we go. Okay, 2. Oh, thanks, Ashley. How was work, Nikki? How is it? Okay, now we go take care of this. Ashley, stick extremely close. Ashley? Ashley, don't stop to look at it. Ashley! I swear to God, this chick.
Give me a break already.
Are you dead? Whoa! Oh. Excuse you. I'm literally standing right here and you're just gonna try to steal her? Okay. We are going this way.
Good, thanks.
At 8:15? Okay, this way's covered. Okay. Sorry, Ashley. I'm getting my bearings. I described my day in one sentence to be chaos. You know, that's valid. I respect it.
Give me some space.
You stay right there. Where am I? Oh, if I go up, then I have... Okay. Oh, right here. Okay, come on, Ashley.
Hang on.
No, we're not hanging on. We're going. No, you're not allowed to live. Come on, Ashley. Oh my God. Ashley?
Go right.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Ashley, you're about to get hit again. Don't worry about it. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, good heavens. Oh, hi. Oh, I need to let... No? Okay, Ashley, we're going in here. Uno momento. Okay. We were just go 2 days ago. Okay, well that's locked.
Locked.
Okay. No, Ashley, get back in here. You're okay, Leon. I need to get to that, but is that like open? I wish I could tell Ashley. Oh yeah, it is. That's just the gate for in there. 1. This should be last, and then I should be able to go. Yeah. Oh, okay. Come on in, Ashley. It's quite warm in here. Okay, let's go. Eee! Ashley, get down here. Ashley? 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 Okay. There you go. Like, Ashley, are you coming down? She really had to think about it. Okay. Things. Oh my God, hi Ashley. Okay, let's go, Ashley. Ashley.
Thanks.
Anytime.
Why did you have to wait, Ashley? Come on. Well, at least she became invincible in that moment. Go. This one. I'm also lost, Ashley. Ashley seems a little lost. She... Yeah. Let me unlock this. She's really struggling. Oh, I have a lot of things. What was I doing? Oh, I was gonna take this moment and quickly just, you know, inlay some stones. Why? Well, I don't know. It's soothing. But Ashley is struggling a little bit. Okay, no, actually, let's stay for a moment. Whoa!
One down.
Okay. Oh. Ashley, I hope you didn't get hit by that. Oh my god. Ashley, I have other things to be worried about right now.
Drop the girl.
Oh! Nobody saw what I just hit.
Get back here.
Ashley, I hope you're alive after that.
Ashley.
Ash. Well, you know what matters? Ashley didn't die.
You okay?
I'm gonna die though. Ashley, I have no health now. Ashley is really going through it. He can hit over this though. Only the one now, right? Yeah, it's just the one. Ashley, just please. Oh my god. Ashley is doing absolutely her best. He just like stood up. Oh my god. Okay, where are we? This, I do need to register this one up there. This parts scope. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we get this time. This was magnum ammo last time. And it's gunpowder again. He died. He died in a very silly pose. He died as he lived in a silly pose. That's our boy. I'm not gonna look through the telescope. Telescope. Magnifying glass. Spyglass. Binoculars. I'm not gonna look through the binoculars. We're just gonna go. Oh, we gotta go do this, bitch. Actually, calm down. We've run past it every single time. Don't worry about it. Give me space.
Let's go.
No, give me space.
Spread out.
Okay.
Come on, boy. Okay, anyways, let's go. Boot knife. A red herb? Or sometimes this game's just like, I'm sorry, I'm being mean. Here, have a little bit of a gift. And the gift is nice, except last time, every time I'd get a gift, it would be dealing with Luis, and then he would get me killed. There we go. I had to like squint my eyes. Oh. Come on, Ashley. Get over here. No. No. Get over there. Come here.
Hey.
Oh my Jesus Christ. I'm fucking babysitting. Ashley, I see you.
Okay, it's all right.
No problem.
Aw. Why can't I hit him now? Ashley, I'm failing you.
Shit.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Don't mind me. I don't exist. Just gonna do it. No. Okay. Aww. Oh. 6, no, it's 5. Oh, you didn't die. Okay, fine. There you go. Okay.
Come on.
Let's go, Ashley. Ashley, guess what? I don't have any bullets again. Calm down, Ashley. It's fine. It's just a catapult, okay? I was like, is the rest gonna go? It wasn't going and I wasn't sure what was happening. Yes, they do, Ashley, okay? It's not new news. Okay. We're waiting. We're waiting. Ooh. I forgot I didn't open up the map. Okay, are we gonna throw the catapults? See one? Okay, that takes care of that. Okay, Ashley. Sorry, I can't be bothered with you right now. Give me your goodies. Okay, let's go. Come on, Ashley.
I guess this is their idea of a warm welcome.
Hi, nice to meet you. I hope that was a warm welcome for you, sir. Excuse me, sir. I live here. Okay, can I hit another one over there?
Ashley, are you alright?
Yeah.
Oh, she's fine, Leon. Don't worry about her. Sit down. Woo! Not like that! Ashley? I swear? I swear, Ashley. A little boomy? I don't think I can boomy that one. Okay. You're gonna throw your little catapult. You're gonna throw it. Okay, let's go, Ashley. We're gonna get into this because I need this. Also because I went the wrong way first. What's that? Can I boomy you from here? What if I do this? Boomy! Oh!
Nice shot.
Thank you. I try sometimes. Okay, it's less boomies, and it's just one boomy we have to worry about now, Ashley. Less boomies for you to worry about. I swear Ashley is going to be the death of me so much in this game. I want to do a perma-death run for this game, but Ashley, oh my god. She about to make me go through it. Boom. Ashley, that one only hits in one section, so please. It's done. It's a little toasty, but it's okay. Woo! We finished it. Oh, you know what we can do? I really do need health. I am quite low. Okay. Let me reload this. Oh, that you, Ashley? That's a little rude. It's a tad bit rude. I just want to get through this section. Let's go, Ashley. Boop. Up. Boop.
Next.
Okay. Let's go. Let's wait a moment, Ashley. You be zooming. Ew, gross. Hello? Oh, Minder! Hi! Thank you for the raid!
Got it.
Do you see? Oh my god, I was desperately trying to... Is there somebody around me? Oh! Oh, that was it? Oh, thank you for giving Mentor a shout out. Did Minecraft. Ooh, how did Minecraft go? Don't mind me and my overpowered gun. It's okay.
Right. That went well.
That did not go well.
Time.
A little warning, I just told you. I told her I was firing again. She was like, huh? There's a treasure over here? Oh, is it a... Hello? What the heck was that? Oh, I think it's underneath. Let's go collect it. I lost everything 7 times and I keep... Aww. That's the worst. I hate the despawning stuff. There she is. A sapphire. Okay. At least Minecraft's fun. It's a fun time. Okay. Crunch my legs. Hey, mic this time around. Honestly, sometimes it's nice to just have a calm, no mic stream. That's why I do like the PNGs too, because it's like the same for me. It's one less thing to worry about. Ooh. Isn't this where Ada has her fight? I'm pretty sure. Let me.
Good stuff, stranger.
Thank you.
What can I do you for?
Sell you some
I'll
things.
buy it at a high price.
Rocket launcher. Let me tune up. I'll repair that.
Easy work. There you are, as you wished.
Capacity.
This kind of work is about come back anytime.
Okay. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna save, but I want to do this next part because I'm pretty sure this is the cutscene that I want. Pretty sure this is. I hope this is the cutscene. Nikki, this might be the cutscene. The little tiny man's. Appreciate the shout out, of course. Oh my god, it's gonna be a little tiny man. Working towards his feeling. Fuck yeah, I'm so proud of you. You saw a little tiny man. Chandler.
My castle.
Gritty little man.
Finally make your acquaintance.
Gritty little old man.
Mr. Kennedy.
Oh wow, look at him.
Oh, are you?
Me? Oh please, call me Ramon. And allow me to get straight to the point.
She's
I would
like, he's
you to
crusty.
hand the girl there over to me.
No, thank you.
Now.
No.
Not that chance, Ramon. The girl's just fine. With me.
He looks so much more intimidated with his little
Mr.
outfit.
Kennedy. How novel.
Yes, me, Mr. Kennedy.
Nonetheless,
Yes, you eat.
The girl must be ours. With a girl as the very source, your United States and then the entire world. For that is the will of my master, the most holy, Lord Sadler. So then you will comply.
Yes?
Never.
You tell him, girl.
Lady.
How unfortunate. Do make sure our guest feels
Yep.
at home, now that he has chosen death.
Oh, I mean, it didn't choose anything. She chose it, okay? Oh, you're so close. That's good, Bender. I'm proud of you. Oh.
Leon?
Just stay close.
Oh, I have to fight these, like, right now?
Present for you.
Ashley? Oh!
Back up.
Okay.
Hello? What you drop? Anyways, that was good. Happy you're good. I'm glad you're happy. You're working towards it and you're doing great. Ew. Spooky. What are these ones? Okay, these are those little shapes that you have to get to put into that. I think... I'm trying to remember where this chapter ends. Oh my god, a yellow herb. Push that into that. Can't go into this yet, right? Yeah, okay.
No luck.
Oop. It's that, and there's these
Get her out to
things.
the other side.
There's a lot of treasures in here, but I can't get all of it now.
Locked.
Oh, is it?
Get to the courtyard.
Isn't it this one? Yeah.
Hey.
Out of the house? I am out of the house, B. See, B, it took me a little bit. It took me an hour to get past that house this time. But I did like an actual proper boss, and I did it the first time. Did it first try.
It's open.
Good work.
It was wonderful. Oh, Leon, that's not what I wanted to do, but okay. Aggressive. Yeah, that's what he said. Oh no. Sorry, the oh no is I realizing what, Oh, where am I? Actually, I feel a bit nervous. Can I hit that? No, I can't. I'm a little scared. Probably thank you. It is a biggie. Yippee! Yippee! That just goes up into there. The goal is down here.
Looks like we can continue on this way.
Be careful.
Okay. Let me check this really quick. I want to see what this looks like. First off. Oh, I did unlock that. Okay. This just goes... Oh, okay. This just up and around and over. Okay, let me just get this. Okay. I'm going to do this next part. Get us to that door. Well, Shimmer, that's all good, B. I'm gonna be ending soon. I love this part of the game. I love this part of the game. It's gonna be so much fun. Oh my god. Oh my god. A red herb. Okay, no. Okay, okay. Okay. I was woken in the middle of the night once again. It was those awful noises. Oh, I just want to say I have to do a reading through the script. Luckily, I get the script tomorrow and I can read through it over the weekend, but I have to do like reading on Monday and it was supposed to be tomorrow and I was like, "Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna mess up on so many words." Anyways, Discount Napoleon is the best character. George Washington looking ass, bro. crusty George Washington. George Washington looking at us. Bro, he is. I love the little man. He's so funny. Sounds like nails, claws, man's labor. Da, 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 da. I gave up reading on it. I was intrigued and then I gave up. Okay, Ashley, you're in for...
Come on.
Okay.
We're in for a ride. Y'all, if you want a spooky game...
What was that?
Shut up, Ashley.
Keep animals down here or something?
Oh, yeah, sure, Ashley. Oh, okay. Can I make... I have too many of those big ones now. It's causing problems. I love this stingray so much. Okay. Yeah, that works.
Spread out.
Hey.
Sorry, I didn't actually mean to do that, Ashley, but... I'm very scared. I don't remember exactly what happens. Okay, are we ready for some spooks? The light is lost. Hi, Ashley. What could possibly go wrong? Yep. Oh, let's look at that. Oh, hi. Oh, you got a nice smile.
Can't see me.
How'd they give him chest hair like that? Oh my Jesus Christ. I'm sorry, his tippy tappies got so aggressive that scared me. I'm very scared. Oh no, I can't believe RE4 copies of lethal like this, honestly. Hot damn. The eyeless dog, literally, it's just like, you know, exactly like the eyeless dogs. I really want Leon to like crouch. Oh my god. It's so good, you know. This isn't spooky at all.
Gotcha.
This is so fun. So awesome. Handling it very well, but you know, not that well. Where'd I go? Oh. Whoop. I almost touched that. I mean, like, I don't have... Please, zoom in. I don't want to trap myself here like that. I need to get some space and recollect my thoughts. Hi. It feels like it finds you even when you're being silent, honestly. You gotta turn, buddy. Like, what the fuck is that? Okay, good, he's dead. Oh my god. I want you to know I was sitting so, like, upright that I just, like, I've now just slumped over. First try for reals. Actual first try. Okay, is there any treasure down here? No. Okay. I collected everything. This isn't all treasure run, but it is now, so let's go. The AI just like directs itself to where you are, even if it doesn't know exactly where you are, like if it doesn't hear you. And I don't like it. Please. Hey Ashley, how you doing up there? You could have come like help me out. Wait, what was that noise? Hold on, shut up, Ashley. I heard an... I think it was just the chains. I think it was just the chains. Yeah, it was just chains. Okay. I'm still looking for the collectibles to shoot. I'm missing 4 out of the whole game. Oh, excuse me. Right, Emma. Hi. Let me just blind you with this flashlight.
Nothing. You were right about the animals, though.
Huh? Leon?
Come on.
Ashley, stop coughing. You're gonna give her
You okay?
our location away. No, you're not. But like,
For now.
true. What is this? Why does this look so suspicious? What is this? Where is it? Oh my god, it's an herb! You can take this and put that like that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. It's just what I wanted. Bing bam bada boom. Ooh, another coin. We need to find the arcade game again. Isn't this? No, not yet.
Wow. Look at all of this.
It's puzzle time. Is there a save over here? Actually, it's gonna be absurd of me, but I don't trust my own skills. I'm gonna go save real quick. I don't trust my skills in this. We're taking every precaution because this is professional. And professionals save. They don't. I just do a lot. I've saved 30 times. Now it's gonna be over 30 times. I said that one. Hurry your ass up.
Nothing but the finest.
Oh, 36 times. We're almost to 40 saves now, boys. I think I'm just reaching the halfway point of the game because I got to the castle. Okay, we're gonna go do that. That gets us to the next section. And then I can end stream. Where am I? I did a little loop-de-loop. Doodle-loop-de-loop. Oh, doodle-loop-doodle-doop-doodle. Ashley's still climbing up the ladders. Ashley? Okay. He's ready. I'm not. So we need the swords to do this. Actually, is there anything in here? I don't believe there is. I think it's just in here that I have to go. Eagle and snake. Oh, there it is. Now this room looks perfectly normal, perfectly safe. Bloodied sword.
Used for.
Don't worry about it,
Well, it's
Ashley.
just a replica. Only a couple of uses for it.
There should be... Correct? Correct!
Guess you were right.
I'm so smart. So smart. I know puzzles. Is that you, Ashley? What's that? Ooh, more money. That's what that is. Shotgun shells. Ooh. Oh, that leads us up here. Fish and snake.
Hang on. This is the same room as before, isn't it?
Yeah.
We just circled around. Leon, what are you doing?
Don't worry about
Don't
it.
even think about trying this yourself.
Me? As if.
Ah, there's a little snake.
Where are you going?
What the fuck are you
Leon, are you kidding me? Jumping across chandeliers. Seriously, who does that?
Me, I do it.
What are you, my mother?
Let the poor boy live. He wants to jump across chandeliers. So real for that. Leon just wants to have some fun. I need to go over there for that. This one just drops down normally. This one is the one I need. Leon is so extra. He's so girly pop. Another herb. I'll be right back, Ashley, okay? Ooh.
Leon! Over here!
Oh, thank you.
Thanks.
So nice of her. Is she, did she... Where is she? Oh, okay, there she is. I was like, she better not have somehow teleported through to get down below. I can do this. I have a lot of things in my inventory now. I really would have liked those flash grenades earlier. This is a little stressful. It's a little spooky. Actually, I'm a little nervous. Oh, he's a little dude.
Salutations, Mr. Kennedy.
Salutations.
To hand over the girl?
No.
Not this guy again.
The fucking music.
Were you preparing some entertainment for you? Without further ado, the gallant knight protects the princess fair.
Me too, Ashley. Me too. I should know better and save and go to EP actually to get a little snacky. Oh my god, I can EP and get a little snacky. This opens up the main door. Ah, bless. Okay. We will end stream here then. I want to get to the next part, but I know there's a couple more puzzles before I get there. Let me
Break's over, I suppose.
Oh, sorry. Oh, hold on. Okay, there we go.
Welcome. Well then, what can I do you for?
Dungeon key.
Ruby's all. Thank you.
Moving up. Let's repair this.
Easy work.
I'll
This
put that
kind
into
of
Stingray.
work has come back anytime.
Okay. Okay, let's save. Okay. We will end it here tonight, boys. It was a good stream. I was only gonna go like 3 hours. And went over it, so I could stream a little bit more, but I do want to go grab some foods. Thank you. Let me switch to this. Oh my god, I'm glad because I was about to have to explain my new rehearsal schedule, which also, as a pre-warning to that, I don't know when I'll be going to be able to stream. I want this song. So I will now actually keep Discord all the time updated of when days I can. So I think I could squeeze in some streams on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but we shall see. If not, I can stream on weekends too and whatnot. But I'm so I cannot believe. I cannot believe I got the lead role. I girl bossed so close to the sun. Oh my god. But thank you. I will. I need to drink more waters because I haven't had that much today. But I have been drinking. And I have eaten today. I just want more chipotle because I had dinner at 3 p.m. So I'm a little hungry. But other than that, I'm just gonna end stream tonight.
Hydrate, you bastard! Hydrate!
Let's see. I've hydrated. I will fill up that bottle and I will drink more. I think I'm gonna invest in getting the ones that have like the numbers on it. You ate, I did. Woo! Also Slade. Oh, girl boss. That's Slade. That girl boss way is too close to the sun. I don't know how I managed this. It's a comedy, that's why. You know what? I'm funny. Am I? I don't know, but people apparently think I am. I made the entire, like, both stage manager, director, and then whoever else was there laugh. So I'm like, funny. Anyways, I almost just closed stream because I thought I was like on Discord or something. Huh? I'm going to end stream. I'll be able to stream tomorrow. Funny bestie. I am funny bestie. I'll be able to stream tomorrow. I might stream a little bit on Friday. Who knows? We'll see. I do have class. I have acting class on Fridays now. Sad. So we shall see. But I love you all. Please take care of yourself, and I will see you all soon. I'm so excited. I'm playing the song back a little bit. I'm gonna lose my mind getting the script tomorrow. I'm gonna cry. But okay, goodbye everybody.